Okay, third day. Breakfast. There is a Mandela Hotel. Let's see kung same bagyapon. So they have their ham. Okay, so this is their salad station. No? Salad station. Okay. Ilang mga food diri. Okay, Mandela Hotel. And then fruits. Okay, seasonal fruits. Seasonal fruit. Sila yogurt pod of jelly. Na sila yung jelly. Okay, na sila yung plain congee side dish. Okay, and na ilang mga foodies. Let's open that one later. No? So, there is ilang bakery station. No? Ilang bakery station. Dako kayo og mga ano for toast. Okay, vegetarian spring roll. That's my favorite. The vegetarian spring roll is very lami. So, napod sila yung andiri. Or noodle soup. Muna siya ilang specialty daw. Kung sa Thailand pa is ilang sana pad thai. Napod sila yung lukchin sa para sa Thailand. Na okay. Good morning. Okay, so let's check their food. Grilled pork sausages and chicken. So, same ragyapon siya sa first day. And then, potato wedges, roasted bacon, and grilled tomato. Okay. Fried filled fish. I thought it's fish fillet. Okay, pan carbonara. And then stir-fried mixed rice. Okay. And sauteed mixed vegetables. And then a little bit mushrooms and vegetables, Indian vegetarian curry, and Indian steamed rice. Okay? Kung siya. New siya. Tapos, ang ilang dessert, sticky rice with black bean and steamed rice pancake. O, ang isa is Vietnamese nam. Steamed cake in banana leaf. Okay na sila, suman-suman style ba? So, nice. Dami ang jud ka ilang food. So, this is their area. Tako ayang area. Tapos, na siya beach view dito ang dapita. So, let's look at that one later. Sige, magkuha sa tag-food. Napoday sila coffee, coffee station nila. ang ilang fruit juice kay wala paghalin abot no kay kami kinasayuhan dere. So, na ilang coffee station, coffee, Lipton tea, hot water, and condensed milk with syrup. Yan, wala pa na. Butangan na nilang ice. Fresh milk, hot milk, tapos filter water na sila detox orange, pineapple, calamansi, pero wala pa nila nabutang. So, that's it. Murag masolo na dire ang kuan karon kay kami pa'y tao dire. Okay. Hindi kuan. Cheese.
Chinese SpongeBob.
Na pa sila ang one more thing is kuan nasad sila cereal station. Diba? Sulit kaayo ang hotel. Highly siya. Recommended.